Infrastructure of roads.
Previously we had identified road as a problem. So to understand more we asked few people and also our teachers regarding it.
So let's see the reviews of the people.
Opinion about the road. So myself Hardik, I am from Ahmedabad and we do this project business and all. And I find Bangalore roads are very good and very clean compared to any other cities. There is only one point that there are lots of construction is going on, and due to that there is a traffic issue, and in this there is a scope of improvement from Bangalore side. So I guess that is it. Anything more you want to ask? Okay, thank you sir. Yeah, thank you.
Never faced such problems. But yeah, I have got eve teasing and all problems I have faced. But accidents and all, I have never faced.
What do you think about Bangalore roads? Are they safe?
No, they are not safe. Actually, basically, I'm from Bombay, so I think in Bombay it's more safe as comparative as a woman, and even the roads are not proper.
So what can be the solution for that? Infrastructure of roads.
रोड का है भाई, रोड का तो बहुत मुश्किल है। रोड का पर्व नहीं एड़े पे अच्छा है, मगर सिटी का आउट जाते ना ट्रैफिक का बहुत मुश्किल है। वो तो सिटी का बाहर क्या जाता ना उधर उस तो बहुत ट्रैफिक रहता है कभी, तो वो बहुत फेस करना है। स्पेशली क्या ये धूप का हो गया और सिटी में आ गए तो बारिश का बहुत ठंडा है, बहुत इसलिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। पर्व नहीं कहता थोड़े एरिया में रखते हैं काम का डेवलप एरिया ना इतना ही क्या ट्रैफिक का थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना है, नहीं थोड़ा रिक्स करना रोड इससे मतलब बरोबर पर्व नहीं इसका
तो मेरा कॉम्पिटिशन
ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ನಿಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಗುಂಡಿ ಇಳಿಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಳ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಲೋಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೇನ್ ಅವ್ರದೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು. ರೋಡ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದರೆ ಯಾರೇ ಬಿದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
To know more, we also asked our teachers about the roads in a Zoom meeting.
ಯಾರ್ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಂತೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ರೋಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು BM ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, so you travel a lot from home to school, school to home, and other places. So, what is your opinion about the roads?
Roads of which city?
Roads of Bangalore.
You have to ask that specifically. Okay. So let's hear, children. Bangalore is a Silicon City. As you all know, Delhi, since due to this COVID, you can say that the work from home culture has started, so people are traveling little less. But before this, all the people used to travel by their personal vehicle because the public transport is not that good in this city. We have metro now, but the connectivity is not there to all the parts of the city. Though by the time, I think so, within few years, it will improve. Somewhere the government is very, very negligent, not little negligent. They are very negligent on giving the contract or the orders to the contractors for making up the roads. children, you must be knowing that government puts orders to people. It's these are all not very within the city. The contract is given to not very big parties. Okay, they are given to small contractors. It is my view. I think that is happening. What happens here? There is no accountability. Now you will also accept. Now you are our school is in Jeevan Bhima Nagar, correct? We need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
travel through Thipasandra Road. Okay. Now recently Thipasandra Road, they have put the tar. Within 15 days, you will find some government agency, either BWSSB or Electricity Board or Airtel or this 5G connection. Some company will start digging and they dig up. They don't take up the matter. They don't bother that. And I think even the local people, we are also responsible for that. We never ask a contractor, when are you going to finish it? Why did you dig up our road? To lay a road, a short patch of road, to lay the roads or to fix the potholes, it takes a lot of money. And if you go to, or if you ask, you all are now growing children, you have a right to ask the local authority, how much money do you know how it is spent on that? But nobody is bothered. Nobody. And I find, and I think the local corporator, the MLA should work towards it. It is, in that, the efficiency of the, you can say the people also reduces, because the commutation time is lost, isn't it? If my roads are dug, I have to I don't go in a constant speed. I reduce my speed. So the condition of roads are really bad. Many accidents have happened due to potholes. Now recently you see, since last 15 days, continuously it is raining. Isn't it, children? Continuously it is raining. Once it rains, the potholes get filled up with water. How does a common man know where is a pothole when it is raining? If the wheel of a two-wheeler falls on a pothole and a person is not having a control on the speed, even if you have a control on the speed, there are 90% chances that you skid and fall. Okay, so children, the main concern is that you can take up the matter, the contractor who is taking up to lay the roads or to fill the pothole should also take the responsibility of maintaining it. So we would like the government provide them road, proper road should be there, connectivity should be there. How does a person travel from his or her home to office? Now, because of COVID, work from home, but it won't go long, no? One fine day again, we will be having the normal matters which should be taken care. And I would like even you, from your forum, Janagraha should work towards it. It's a major concern.
What is your opinion on the Bangalore roads, ma'am? Do you think they are safe?
Bangalore roads you are talking, in some areas they are very proper. There is no doubt any problem is there. But some roads which they have started to dig and some wire they have to put or whatever, they are not doing the work on time. Near Wind Tunnel Road, boundary wall of airport, this one Wind Tunnel Road is there. 3.5 years before they have started digging, is still the same condition, and potholes are there and rainwater is getting collected into that. So the roads are definitely, it's an invitation, you come and fall into the road. That's all. Very bad condition.
Ma'am, what are the few issues that you faced while you were traveling to the school? Or
See, while I will travel on the this road, some roads are very proper, some are very zigzag, like adventure we are doing on the way. Some are like that. No need to go for trekking and all. We can do all this here in Bangalore roads. So, like we have to take initiative. We are the citizens. If we are not aware, then why the government will bother? Until the citizens will not wake up, work will not be done. So if you see, when a child cries, then only mother will give milk or this. When you will say, mother, I am feeling hungry, then only food will come to you. Until you will not say the requirement to the government, how will they do? You have to raise your voice, then only your work will be done. Everybody will see the roads are in a bad condition. Everybody is falling. Street lights are not working. Even some street lights are having switch. You know that street lights are having switch on it. So
Yes, ma'am.
citizens should
Yeah.
on and off, they have to do. Some are so careless, they will not bother that sunset and we have to on the street will be like in dark. You have to on the switch, and when it is the sunrise, you have to off it. Okay, so we are responsible. Being a responsible citizen, we have to take the initiative, and if any road is pending work is there, we have to write the application and give to the corporation that this work has to be done. And if they are not doing, then you all can go for a what you can call, how you will fulfill your demand.
Either by requesting or protest. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Protest, requesting. So first, what is the method you will adopt?
First, we have to give a request to
Request.
the corporation.
If your request is not accepted, what you will do? Protest?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We'll protest.
Yeah, ma'am.
So first we have to request. If they are not completing it, we have to protest it. Being a citizen, like Gandhiji's Asayog Andolan and all non-cooperation movement, you will be knowing how we got the freedom. Some were very violent people were there. Some are non-violent people. So like that we should work.
Yes, ma'am.